Some interesting facts about parrots. Parrots are known for their vibrant plumage and exceptional ability to mimic human speech and various sounds. Male parrots often show the ability to dance and perform spectacular behaviors to attract a female. Many parrot species form strong social bonds and exhibit complex behaviors, such as using tools and displaying problem-solving skills. In some cultures, parrots were considered symbols of wisdom, knowledge, and spirit, which contributed to their popularity as pets and companions. Parrots are capable of solving simple puzzles and problems, which proves their cognitive abilities.
Give me a kiss.